So what are we doing today?
Bulletproof coffee.
With what? Super mushroom bulletproof coffee?
Well, it's our version of bulletproof coffee.
Yeah, going full mushroom today. First step, live spring water. Hand grinder, coffee beans. This is Joshua Tree, decaf, French press, Vitamix, kettle, Jessica. And a sign that says butter and coffee is necessary. Boom. Boil water. We do around 30 grams for like a cup and a half-ish.
Yeah, I don't drink that much.
I drink a full one, she drinks a half one. Boom. In there, in the hand grinder from Hario.
Our coffee will be below in the description. And if you're interested in the grinder, also below in the description. If you're interested in the coffee thingy, also below in the description.
Alright, while she's doing that, I'm gonna get everything ready in the blender. All the goodies that we'll be blending in together. Grass-fed butter. This is Vital Farms XCT oil. This is C8 and C10 MCT. Chaga, lion's mane, and cordyceps. Also Shilajit. Get about 85 spoons. Alright, so we got about 1.5 tablespoons of butter in there, and I eyeballed about a tablespoon of the XCT. Again, because we're making about a cup and a half. And now we're gonna put in all this stuff. So we also eyeball it just because, I mean, it doesn't really have to be exact, but so maybe like close to half a teaspoon or so-ish of Shilajit. Interruption because the water's ready. Putting the grounds into the French press. And then, some people think you shouldn't break the seal of the coffee, but I think that doesn't make any sense. Obviously you want the beans to be brewing. So, breaking the seal, and boom, 4 minutes on the clock. So, each of these I'm gonna put, like, since we're mixing them all, the serving size is about half a teaspoon in general, but since we're doing all of them, and we're splitting it, I'll probably do about half a teaspoon of each, so it's like a little more overall, but because typically you just have like one at a time. So this is Cordyceps, lion's mane, and Chaga. So the beans are a brewing. That is pretty loaded up. That's a cool shot. And then we wait. Okay, so push down the French press. Pour it in. Hey, there's me in the reflection. And then blend it.
Right now.
Don't do it.
Do it for the vibe.
Wait, before we blend it, super key, blend the shit. And then pour, look at that.
That's how you make bulletproof coffee. Cheers.
Bulletproof, mushroom, loaded coffee. It's delicious and has all kinds of shit in it.
Yes.
How are we ending this?
Bye.
We hope you we hope you like the recipe. Should we do more of these? Let us know.
Maybe our golden lattes.
Yeah, or I mean this is only one variation of this. We do honestly this is what we've done for the last like 3 days in a row. We always change it up. So we've got...
Sometimes we'll do ghee, sometimes we'll do just butter with collagen. It depends on the day.
Yeah, collagen, coconut oil, different mushroom blends or other things. So
well, we will explain more in the description why these mushrooms are so good for us. So
sure, you can write that up, and and we'll link to like the stuff we use just so you can make it yourself. And if you do, let us know.
Okay.
All right. Peace.